With heart filled with joy and gratitude, we warmly welcome the Superior General Sacred Heart Congregation, Reverend Mother Usha Maria, to Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School, Baloda Bazar. May her gracious presence among us be a blessing inspiring to walk. In faith, love, humility, and service, we seek God's abundant grace upon her visit and pray that the Sacred Heart of Jesus continue us to guide and strengthen her noble mission.
to the Lord. For he is good, his steadfast love endures forever. Reverend Mother Usha Maria, the Superior General of Sacred Heart Congregation, Reverend Sister Annie, the Manager, Reverend Sister Teresa, the Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Elsina, the Superior, Reverend Sister Ansa, Unity 2 in charge, my dear loving sisters, teachers, and मेरे प्यारे भाई और बहनों, a very grace-filled good afternoon to everyone. A long-awaited day has dawned. It's with immense joy and deep reverence that we gather today to welcome a truly inspiring and grace-filled presence among us, our beloved Mother, Reverend Sister Usha Maria, the Superior General of Sacred Heart Congregation. Today is not merely a visit, it's a blessing bestowed upon our institution. My joy knew no bounds when I stand here to accord a red carpeted welcome. At the very outset, let me introduce Mother to the gathering. Mother Usha Maria is the Superior General of the Sacred Heart Congregation, and we have 3,500 sisters across the world. Mother has to visit each one once in her tenure of 6 years. Before she was being elected as Superior General, she rendered her service in various capacities of Jeevajyoti Province, Delhi. Mother was the Provincial Secretary of Jeevajyoti Province, Delhi for 3 years. Then she was the Director of Junior Sisters of Jeevajyoti Province for 3 years. She was elected as the Provincial Procurator Choice for 6 years. Again, she rendered her service as the Provincial Auditor of Jeevajyoti Province, Delhi for 3 years. And she was elected as the Vicar Provincial and Councillor of Evangelization for 3 years. And by the mighty and wonderful plan of God, she was elected as the Provincial Superior Choice of the Jeevajyoti Province, Delhi for 6 years. And at present, Mother is rendering the service as the Superior General. Dear Mother, your leadership stands as a beacon of faith, humility, and unwavering dedication. As the head of the Sacred Heart Congregation, you carry the responsibility of guiding many with wisdom, compassion, and spiritual strength. Your life reflects service rooted in love, a love that mirrors the Sacred Heart itself, patient, selfless, and ever-giving. Though Mother has adorned many major posts, she is approachable, simple, loving, and caring. Your presence among us fills this campus with renewed inspiration. It reminds us that true leadership is not measured by authority alone, but by the ability to uplift, to nurture, and to lead with grace. Your footsteps on this campus strengthen our mission and encourage us to grow not only in knowledge but also in faith and character. Dear Mother, we pray that your visit may be a moment of joy and encouragement for us and you as well. On behalf of the Sacred Heart family, dear Mother, I accord a red carpeted welcome to you. Hearty welcome, dear Mother. Thank you.
With the gratitude in our hearts, we request Mother to kindly proceed the cake cutting ceremony. as we celebrate in this joyful, blessed occasion together. Today, we gather to mark this joyful occasion. The cake cutting ceremony becomes a symbol of the unity, shared happiness, and God's abundant blessings. We are deeply grateful to you, Mother, for blessing this sweet and memorable occasion with your presence.
हमर छत्तीसगढ़ की भुइयां माँ आप मन के स्वागत है। जय जोहार सिस्टर। हमारे देश के हर प्रांतों की अपनी अलग खूबसूरतियां हैं। छत्तीसगढ़ भी अपने प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य, अपने पर्व
and the speaker of the community, Sister Teslit, Sister Reena, Sister Ansa and Sister Lisa, and my dear staff, both teaching and non-teaching. A very good afternoon to each and every one of you. This beautiful afternoon has truly touched my heart. As this is my first visit this institution as well as this part of India, I feel deeply moved by the grand reception organized by the management and staff. The elegant decorations, the joyful singing and the graceful dances, especially this Chhattisgarhi, I think this stage, traditional dance, I think, presented by the teachers. Your creativity, your unity and enthusiasm shown here as you danced together, both gen staff and lady staff, with the sisters and even myself. Congratulations to all of you. Everything spoke of love and togetherness. I felt not as a guest, but as a member of a loving family coming home. Thank you for making this visit so memorable for me. Dear Sister Sherry, I sincerely thank you for the beautiful and generous words you spoke about me. I feel unworthy of such praise, but I do accept it as an expression of your love for our congregation. I appreciate your gracious leadership. The steady growth and high standard of this institution are not accidental. They are the result of your vision, commitment and wise guidance. Your leadership brings harmony and direction. You carry responsibility with dedication and simplicity. May the Sacred Heart of Jesus continue to guide and strengthen you in your mission. At this moment, I would like to lovingly remember one of the pioneer sisters of this institution, Reverend Sister Priscilla. Listening to her experiences of 35 years ago deeply moved me. She shared about the humble beginnings, the struggles, the uncertainties, and the sacrifices made to establish this school. There were times of difficulty, limited resources, and many challenges, but there was faith, courage, and determination. Today, what we see as a well-established higher secondary school with 1800 plus students, 100 plus teaching and non-teaching staff is the fruit of those yearly sacrifices. Truly, foundations built with prayer and perseverance stand firm. We owe a debt of gratitude to all the pioneers and all those who toiled in the early days so that we could stand where we are today. I also appreciate the present team of sisters who animate this institution. You do not merely administer, you inspire. You treat the teachers and staff not as workers, but as family members. The spirit of acceptance, mutual respect and collaboration is the strength of this school. Such mutual trust builds a healthy and joyful working environment. My special appreciation goes to the able and experienced sisters who serve as pillars of this institution. Your maturity, guidance, and silent sacrifices ensure that the administration runs smoothly. Often the strongest support is the one that works quietly in the background. Thank you, dear sisters, for your faithful and steady presence. The school management has full appreciation for all the teaching and non-teaching staff of the school. Your sincerity, love for this institution, respect towards the management, hard work, and family spirit play a great role in the all-round development of this school. Institutions grow not only through infrastructure and policies, but through committed hearts. Your loyalty and dedication are deeply valued. Congratulations and thank you, dear teachers and non-teaching staff. Dear teachers, coming from different states, cultures and languages, you are working here as one family. This unity is your strength. You are truly the backbone of this institution. A teacher's role is not limited to completing the syllabus. You are shaping character, values, and attitudes. The way you enter a classroom, the tone of your voice, the patience with which you explain, and the fairness in your correction, these leave lasting impressions. Children today need not only information but understanding. They need discipline but with compassion. They need connection but with dignity. A child should feel safe, respected, and valued in your presence. When a teacher listens patiently, appreciates small improvements, and guides firmly but kindly, the child grows in confidence. Remember, students may forget a lesson, but they will never forget how a teacher made them feel. Let your classroom be a place where children feel motivated, respected, and inspired to do their best. I also want to appreciate our non-teaching and supporting staff. Your contribution is equally important. Clean surroundings, orderly offices, disciplined maintenance, bringing and reaching back students safely. These create an atmosphere in which education flourishes. Your dedication and sincerity are greatly admirable. This institution bears the name of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Gospel of St. Matthew chapter 11 verse 29 says, "Learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart." May gentleness guide your correction, humility guide your leadership, and love guide all your interactions. Though the students are not present this afternoon, I can feel their presence in the spirit of this institution. We know that everything we do ultimately shapes their future. Let us continue to work together as one family, building upon the strong foundation laid 35 years ago, and moving forward with renewed commitment and unity. Thank you once again for your warm welcome, your beautiful program, and your dedicated service. May the Sacred Heart of Jesus bless each one of you abundantly. God bless you all. Thank you.
Wow.
धन्यवाद। और ऐसा ही ख्वाब, ऐसे ही सपना काफ़ी सालों पहले हमारे सिस्टर्स ने देखा था इस बड़ौदा बाजार में अपने सेक्रेट हार्ट को स्थापित करने के लिए। इसलिए हमें ज़रूरी है कि हम ख्वाब देखें। अगर हम सपने को देखते हैं, हम ख्वाब को देखते हैं, एक समय आएगा कि हम अपने आशियाँ बना पाएंगे। हमारे टीचर्स ये टैलेंटेड नहीं है, हमारे भैया और दीदी भी अपने अपने हुनर को रखती हैं। मैं उन्हें बुलाना चाहूँगी कि वे अपने सुंदर गीत को हमारे सामने प्रस्तुत करें।
खड़े हैं अपने द्वार, दीप तिलक का थाल सजा, अभिवादन को तैयार, अभिवादन को तैयार। परम सम्माननीय श्रद्धेय हमारे सेक्रेट हार्ट परिवार के बड़ी सिस्टर उषा मारिया, सम्माननीय श्रद्धेय सिस्टर सेरिन जी, सम्माननीय सिस्टर त्रिशा जी, सम्माननीय सिस्टर मदर सिस्टर एल सिन्हा जी, सम्मानित सिस्टर अंथा जी और सभी हमारे सिस्टरगण तथा हमारे शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं एवं मेरे साथियों, आज हमारे लिए बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है कि हम सेक्रेट हार्ट परिवार के सबसे बड़े सिस्टर श्रद्धेय उषा मारिया का दर्शन करने, उनके वचनों को सुनने और उनके साथ कुछ पल बिताने के लिए हमें अवसर प्रदान किया। हम सेक्रेट हार्ट परिवार के एक छोटे से परिवार, हमारे ड्राइवर कंडक्टर एवं दीदी लोग एक छोटे से गीत के द्वारा अपने इस खुशी को व्यक्त करना चाहते हैं। किस तरह से नमन मैं करूं आपका, किस तरह से नमन मैं करूं आपका, स्वागतम 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 आपका, स्वागतम 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 आपका। किस तरह से नमन मैं करूं आपका, किस तरह से नमन मैं करूं आपका, स्वागतम 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 आपका, स्वागतम 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 आपका। आप आए बड़ी उम्र है आपकी, आप आए बड़ी उम्र है आपकी, आप आए बड़ी उम्र है आपकी, बस यही नाम मैंने लिया आपका, बस यही नाम मैंने लिया आपका। किस तरह से नमन मैं करूं आपका, किस तरह से नमन मैं करूं आपका, स्वागतम 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 आपका, स्वागतम 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 आपका। आपकी एक नजर कर गई क्या असर, आपकी एक नजर कर गई क्या असर, आपकी एक नजर कर गई क्या असर। मेरा दिल था मेरा हो गया आपका, मेरा दिल था मेरा हो गया आपका। किस तरह से नमन मैं करूं आपका, किस तरह से नमन मैं करूं आपका, स्वागतम 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 आपका, स्वागतम 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 आपका। आप आए सुनहरी सुबह हो गई, आप आए सुनहरी सुबह हो गई, आप आए सुनहरी सुबह हो गई। बड़ा प्यारा लगा किस तरह से नमन मैं करूं आपका। स्वागतम 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 आपका। स्वागतम 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 आपका। स्वागतम 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 आपका। स्वागतम 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 आपका।
आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। कार्यक्रम की कड़ी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आपके सामने एक स्पेशल डांस, एक विशेष नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं हमारे स्कूल के टीचर्स मैडम आंचल और मैडम दीपाली को मैं सामने बुलाना चाहूंगी कि वो अपना स्पेशल डांस प्रस्तुत करें।
Only in taking.
अच्छा